Hello, my name is Mitchell Bowles, and today we are going to talk about the April the 10th, 2009 tornado. That's the way when I was born in 2009. I was born on May 18th, 2009. So let's watch this. That's one.
Train spotter reported a tornado located 5 miles west of Murfreesboro, moving northeast.
Even up to the Smyrna area still, Davis, I would not want to take any chances. I think we may have 2 tornadoes on the ground here in the Rutherford County area.
Guys, look at the camera.
I need to show you about it better. Because that's hard to see this one on a WKON camera.
Guys, look at the camera.
Okay, now you can see the tornado. Look just in the middle of the screen, just to the east or just to the right of that column. You can see the tornado that is in Rutherford County right now. You can see it on the ground. There's no doubt
12 years later. 12 years later.
Looking at this webcam live,
This is Old Fort
Oh,
Parkway
look,
at
it's about
24.
is that crossing the interstate right there?
Yeah, this is moving west to east across I-24.
this is crossing on, boy, it's getting bigger. It's like a wedge now.
Please,
Cover
it
me,
is
please.
really large.
This
It
is
is very large.
I-24.
Oh my goodness.
This is a serious situation, a serious emergency for the Murfreesboro area along I-24, Lisa.
And we're right along 840 and Highway 96
Oh.
crossing Northwest Broad. It's coming right across 24
Oh, it's
right now.
wet.
And you can see it is moving very, very quickly. We have a tornado on the ground in Murfreesboro. You can see it there on the
2009.
camera. The camera freezing up every now and then, but what
Watch
you're
this.
looking at here
Watch
on the
this
storm
hook.
tracker
Hook.
is
Hook.
the
I can watch
rotation
this.
in the atmosphere. And folks, this is a really serious situation. This is extremely populated, this area here of Rutherford County. As I'm going to pull out again and do a storm track because we know we have a tornado on the ground.
Watch this. Gonna hit the building. Wedge tornado. See that? Better one.
We are off of Tomahawk Trace,
Look
which is
at this
all
damage.
across
Look.
some of the homes that we're seeing.
They got the clear to do that.
Yeah, it's just like very sad to see. And watch this on Channel 5. If I can show it.
The rain velocity showing you the rain that's coming down. You saw that product there a moment ago. That's the wind, and what we're doing is trying to look at what's going on with it, and what we're doing. Saw that product there a moment. Saw that product.
There's that tornado right there, going towards the southeast. I think. Oh, excuse me, the northeast. I should say. And my name is Mitchell Bowles. See ya.